everything from the Prometheum Prodigy burn events, more burn events, and as well the beautiful video and technology of Prometheum Prodigy. The market cap is steady rising, even though this is a good opportunity with a thick liquidity. Prometheum Prodigy, in terms of the Prodigy Flip, could also refer to a trading strategy or significant event in the crypto market here. And you know the goal is a $1 billion market cap in the future here. Now also, the Prodigy Flip is an AI-powered decentralized crypto trading mobile app and is progressing as expected, just like Ethereum. And this is the award-winning video that hit over 3 million views right on the X page. Now, Prometheum Prodigy also have more burns coming in. It seemed like they burn twice a week, keeping the supply low and demanding for you and me. And as well, the legal team posted this earlier today, trademarking symbol on the website. Now they have trademarking for PMPY, Prodigy Flip, Tello Talk, and Prometheum Prodigy as well, making this legally and safe and secure here. Now, this is a little bit of a rendering what it looks like, but it's going to be more interactive and more user-friendly, the Prodigy Flip as well. And this is the X page. You go ahead and go to it, and the website. Check out the website when you get a chance to. And they're not stopping at Prodigy Flip here. Staking, chain integration, robotic sniper, and more is coming with this whole entire operation. So check out Prometheum Prodigy Telegram, website, X page, and you know $1 billion. I feel really good about this in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'm the captain. Check out Prometheum Prodigy today because I just don't want you to miss out.